Hey everybody, Dan Smith here. I'm the SAP Training Guy. Coming up as I help you navigate the world of SAP training. Here we go, jumping into this. So, I live in Raleigh, North Carolina. This is a pretty shot there of Raleigh at night. Um, this is my crew. I got four kids. My oldest is 14, my youngest is 6, Olivia's 13, 10. There's my lovely wife, Jessica. Good stuff. All right, so real quick about me. So I've been in the IT and business training space for about 12 years, primarily on the sales side. I worked with Oracle Training Solutions as part of Maverick Solutions for 3 years, and now on the SAP side with ExitCertified Tech Data for the last 2. So my current role, so I help manage the SAP Partner Program as part of ExitCertified, and I promote training for the SAP ecosystem. Clients, partners, VARs, team leads, project managers, executives, anyone that really can benefit from SAP training. Hence, I'm the SAP training guy. ExitCertified, great group of professionals. They're strong Canadian roots based in Ottawa. They're now tied into the larger distribution network of Tech Data based out of Clearwater, Florida. Good things coming. So just a great organization to work with. So here's kind of my SAP story and why some of these quick videos. First of all, I switched to SAP about 2 years ago and I got my butt kicked out of the gate. I thought I had some insight into ERP, working for Maverick, both on the technical and functional side. But SAP is a whole new world, right? Fire hose for sure coming in, learning as much as I can. And then SAP itself is in the midst of a radical transformation. In 2018 SAP is a very different company than they were just 5 years ago. So trying to stay ahead of that curve, learning, growing, trying to speak it with clients, internal folks. So I just wanted to put some short, relevant, and really respect your time and hopefully bring some value with some of these quick videos. So some of the upcoming topics that I'm hoping to address, the SAP Learning Hub. What is it? Is it worth it? SAP Learning Hub demo, I think it is. So I'll show you that. I geek out about that. SAP Fiori, it's the new interface, really for developers. I think that it'd be a really good topic as well. Get a lot of questions on that. And then really the key, FI certification. The old FICO broke off into FI. For those, I mean, that's the king of certification. So what's it look like in S4? What's the learning path for seasons FI folks to new FI pros? How's that work? And hopefully this gets us started. A couple quick minute videos. Thanks for stopping by. Look forward to chatting with you more. There I am. Here I am on LinkedIn, Raleigh Dan Smith, ExitCertified.com. You can reach me at dan.smith@techdata.com. So thanks for stopping by. Good stuff. Cheers.